Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply change your Gmail phone number on your Google phone number without any stress on your laptop. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here, click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. The next thing you want to do is to click on personal info. The next thing you want to do here is to scroll down and make sure you click on phone number. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the phone number you want to change. Click on it. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to click on this plus icon. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on update number. The next thing you want to do is to make sure use another number is checked. Go ahead and click on next. Then come to the top right here and enter your new number right here. So you can, once you enter a new number, come down to the next right here and a verification code will be sent to that new number. And once you enter the verification code sent by Google, the number will be successfully changed and be added to your Gmail or Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.